What's up, guys? Will H back with another video. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and first impressions of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. So I know, according to YouTube, I am very late unboxing this device and getting it in my hands, but I was undecided if I wanted to pick this device up or not, and I went through the same thing last year. I am going to be trading in my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, which this is the device that I really and truly love, but I'm going to go ahead and trade it in and take a look at the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. What happened last year is I ended up buying the S22 Ultra, and a few weeks later, or a month later, I picked up another Z Fold 4. So that may happen again this time, or I may just ride it out until the Z Fold 5 come out. But here it is. I got the lime green. This is my first time getting one of the exclusive colors. Here's the box right here. So a few specs on this. I know everybody knows all of the specs, but I'll just go over it in case for some random reason somebody's watching this video and don't know the specs. So this is a Samsung S23 Ultra, 12 gigabytes of RAM, 512 gigabytes of storage. The storage was a free upgrade from the base, so they gave me 512. Has a 500 milliamp hour battery, Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. It has a 6.8 inch dynamic AMOLED display. That's 3088 by 1440. They call it a 2x Infinity O display. QHD plus, 120 hertz refresh adaptive rate, and it's 500 PPI and 1750 nits outside. This is going to be running Android 12 as well. So those are a few of the specs on it. It also includes all of Samsung bells and whistles, of course, and here it is. So I ended up picking this up for $449, and with the free upgrade, like I mentioned. This was only for this color, the lime color, and that deal is no longer there. But here's everything that I got. So the total price was $470. They gave me $750 for my Z Fold 4. It was $180 promotional discount. So for a total of $930 savings. So that's about what I got, what I paid for the device. Maybe a little bit more, a little less, I'm not sure, but I figured it was a good deal, and I can always pick it back up or wait on the Z Fold 5. But that's my favorite device there. So let's go ahead and get into the box. And of course, here's the box. We know there's nothing in the box but the phone. So let's go ahead and cut it and check this out. So I'm anxious to get it, man. I like the cameras on the S22 Ultra, and I know these cameras are going to be dope too, so I want to hold off on looking at that color for right now. So here's what was on the back of it right there. Nothing else. Of course, we know there's nothing in here. Nothing in the box. We'll look anyway. Maybe they put something extra in mine. SIM card ejection tool there. Quick start guide, and your Type-C to Type-C charging cable. That's it, guys. Nothing else in there. I wasn't lucky enough to get some extra stuff. So, all right. So I have already moved this from the back of it, and let's take a look at the device here. Let's go ahead and look at that lime green color. I'm pretty excited about this. So here's the lime green. Hopefully my camera's doing a great job on this. And my first impressions, I like green. This is going to take some getting used to. But what I do like is that it has the chrome accents going around the outside of it, and it looks dope. Then you got the chrome going around the cameras right here as well. So that is dope right there. Now on the cameras, you're going to have a 200 megapixel wide f.17. You got a 10 megapixel ultra wide, That is f2.2. You got another 10 megapixel. That's a 3 times zoom. It's going to be f2.4. You got a 10 megapixel telephoto, f4.9, and you got 100K, 100 times zoom camera as well. Now these rear cameras can shoot up to 8K at 30 frames per second. And then you got a 12 megapixel on the front that can shoot 4K 60. So that is that. Let's go ahead and peel this off the front. But there it is. So the 6.8 inch display is going to be beautiful here. And from what I can tell from the last one, the S22, it is flatter, which I like. And I do like the chrome going around here. Here it is. Got a mic up there. Got your volume control, your power button. I'm assuming that's the antenna right there. Got your SIM card tray. Got a microphone. You got your charging port, speaker, and of course the S Pen. Now I wish the S Pen was the same color, but they made it black this time around. There it is. So I guess that's cool. And then going around it. Now, like I said, this lime color definitely going to have to grow on me, but it is nice. It's nice. It is nice. You still got these sharp corners here, and it doesn't actually feel too heavy, man. So here it is. Feels really good in the hand. Really nice. So here it is in comparison to the, I think they call this beige. I forgot what color it's called, but there it is. Right there, the two together. Looks nice. I hate to get rid of that, man. Let's go ahead and power this up. See if it has any power. There it is. So the Samsung logo is coming up there. I'm going to go ahead and put my information in, and then I'll come back and let you guys know what I think about this after I set it up. All right, guys, so we're back in with the lime green S23 Ultra. Now, I've put some of my information in. This is the wallpaper it comes with out of the box right there. And let's go ahead and see what's all on the device out of the box. So as you guys see, you got your Google stuff here, your normal Google stuff. You're going to have some Microsoft stuff here. You're going to have your Samsung things here as well. Calculator, calendar, camera, clock, contacts. Facebook is there, surprisingly. Galaxy Store, game launcher, stuff like that. So not too much here, but there is some bloatware, and you got your feed over here, of course. You got that. Let's go in and drop down the, I do have it in dark mode as well. So here are some of the features here. You guys see, let's go into the menu here, the settings, and let's take a look at the display. It is set on 1 adaptive rate. You guys see 120. I want to see how much storage out of the box it's using. I haven't added anything on here. So let's see storage. So the storage, you're using look like about 59 out of the box on the storage. And let's go down and see what's his software is on. So without an update, 5.1, Android 13, and yeah, I probably got to update because it's on, let's see. Yeah, and Android security patch January 2021. So we'll check that out. But yeah, I'm excited about using this. So far, just playing around with it. Very fast, snappy. Let's go into, let's take a look at this display here. Got a little 4K pulled up. And you get a chance to hear the speakers as well. So there's some 4K video. Very crisp. Blacks are very, very dark, as you guys see. Look at that. That is awesome. Beautiful colors here, man. And speakers are loud as well. And I think it's very nice, man. I am very interested in using the cameras. So here are a lot of the features on the cameras right here. Right there for your video and different things there. Just going to be nice because these cameras have a lot of features. There are a lot of the features that it has, and some of the best cameras out there from what I understand. So let's do a little size comparison. So here it is next to the Google Pixel 7 Pro. Let me get into the Pro. Screen sizes are pretty close to the same size. They feel about the same weight. They both have this chrome going around them. Of course, I have the Snow. That's what the Snow looks like. Google Pixel, still one of my favorite as well. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. Now, I got rid of my OnePlus 11, man. I sold that about a week or so ago, and it was okay phone, man. I didn't really want it after a while. So here it is against the iPhone 14 Pro Max. You guys see it. It's a little bit taller than the Pro Max. The Max is thicker though. Definitely feels thicker. And then I got that black one there. There are those two together. All of these are premium film phones. And then also we already looked at it against the Z Fold 4. The one I'm going to be trading in. And I still don't feel too good about that, man, because the Z Fold 4 is just my all-around device. I do video editing, just all kinds of stuff with the S Pen, but this one has a S Pen too. So, yeah, this is going to be nice. I think I'm going to go ahead and send it in, trade it in, and keep this one. And I'm going to make some more videos about it. I got cases coming, going to shoot some camera stuff, just all kinds of stuff about this device. So the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is in house. Catch you guys in the next video. Will H. I'm out.